Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to curve text in Canva. First, open Canva on your device. You can either use the Canva app or the website. Once in Canva, click on Create a Design. This option is located at the top right corner of the screen. Now select a design template. For this example, let us choose Instagram post. This will give you a square canvas. Click on Text in the left-hand menu. You can choose from various text styles like headings, subheadings, and body text. Select the text style you want to use. You can choose from a wide range of fonts and styles provided by Canva. Click on your canvas and start typing your text. You can write anything you like. This will be the text you will curve later. After typing your text, you can change the font. Click on the font drop-down menu at the top of the screen and scroll through the options until you find the one you like. Scroll down to find various customization options. You can change the text, color, resize it, and adjust its placement on the canvas. With your selected text, click on the Effects button located about the canvas. This will open a menu with different text effects. In the Effects menu, look for the Curve option. Click on it to apply the curve effects to your text. A slider will appear that allows you to adjust the curvature of your text. Move the slider left or right to increase or decrease the curve until it looks just the way you want. Make any final adjustments to your text, such as its position or size, to ensure it fits well with the rest of your design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on the Share button at the top right of the screen to save your design to your device. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.